I want to explain how to approach different questionnaires, tests, and worksheets used in search of a better understanding of people. Let's start with what Shadowmatch does. Shadowmatch measures habits. The system is based on the psychology of behaviorism and neuropsychology. The most basic principle is that behavior is determined by neurons in the brain. Neurons control everything we do. The neurons learn by building memory patterns as a result of repetition and high-impact single events. All our behaviors are pattern-based. Shadowmatch measures a selection of measurable patterns or habits. Shadowmatch is not a personality test. Most personality tests, on the other hand, are based on a psychoanalytic approach to understanding personality. Personality could be described as the unique combination of characteristics that make up the individual's identity. There are many tests in support of a better understanding of people. For example, career interest questionnaires and aptitude tests. Many of these tests are embedded in cognitive psychology. The two most important aspects to keep in mind when asking what the similarities and differences amongst assessments are the following. Firstly, to determine the school of thought that the specific test is based on, be it behaviorism, neuropsychology, psychoanalysis, cognitive psychology, development, or social psychology. The second important aspect to remember is that the questionnaires have different purposes. This could be explained with a simple example. If a pilot needs to go for his routine medical checkup, his weight, blood pressure, eyesight, and hearing would be measured and tested. This will be tested on the same person for the same job. Fact is that these tests have nothing to do with each other. They measure completely different aspects of the individual's fitness for the job as a pilot. It is therefore important to determine what needs to be measured for what job and how will it be applicable to the success of an individual in a specific job. People do their work by acting according to unique behavioral patterns or habits embedded in the brain. For success in the workplace, Shadowmatch provides critical information to everybody involved in the recruitment and employment process with specific reference to behavior. Shadowmatch measures and compares habits.